Was I expecting 2 boxes? Not really. Am I super stoked to get 2 boxes? Absolutely. And we have a bare face, so you guys know what that means. We are about to get into this Ipsy, not by Boxycharm month. I don't know how to describe this. Apparently they are rebranding again. So I believe this box now just says Ipsy all over it and it has a different name. And this is the icon box still, I believe. I did get an email from Ipsy letting us know they're rebranding these again. So let me tell you what they're called. So we have 3 different brand names now. The first for the glam bag is now called Ipsy Original. And now what was formerly the Ipsy by Boxycharm is now called Ipsy Extra. And I guess now formerly Icon Box is going to become Ipsy Ultimate. So looks like the name has not changed yet on the box, but it should be soon. So these are some new things that they are updating as we move to the end of this year and into the new year, I suppose. So we've been rebranded again. Does that mean the products inside are going to get better, worse? Are we going to see a difference? I have no idea. So let's find out together. Again, bare face. So we're going to put on what we can. All right, let's see what we have in here for the new month. We're getting ready to make the season bright. I don't know what this is, but it's already really intriguing. Iconic London. It has a beautiful package to it. I don't know what this is, but it feels luxe. I have no spoilers, no idea what's going on. Oh, brushes. Okay, looks like we have a whole face set of brushes here, which I'm pretty excited about. I do need to go through my brushes actually and do a declutter soon. I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. Okay. I don't mean to immediately make this Elvis lip face, but the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel, haven't we received this so many times? Is this something different? Am I just confused? Is it clear? It says it's a Brow Freeze Gel. I don't know if I'm gonna open this just because I may not need it, and I feel like we get a lot of brow gels, so I don't really need that. Oh, this looks like this is a step 3 of a Tomika set. I'm not really sure what this is. I've not heard of this brand before. This is an antioxidant serum with vitamin C. Use 3 to 5 drops of the serum, avoiding direct contact with the eyes. Follow with moisturizer. Oh, it says it brightens, it restores, and revitalizes your skin. And now we have a Dew of the Gods body fragrance. Y'all, let's give it a smell. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa, wasn't expecting that. It's kind of a little bit of a juicy, touching into floral scent. How would you describe yourself? Or do you? Top notes of dragon fruit and lychee, middle notes of jasmine. Okay, and then vanilla and amber for base notes. Okay, not mad at this. Oh, and it's glass. And the last thing in here, I think this is Lucky Chick. I really like Lucky Chick, and I also love seeing bubble wrap, because y'all know we have received far too many broken things in the past, so we want to see the bubble wrap. Packaging has me excited. This is called Mystic Halo. Oh, it's a face palette. I was thinking it was going to be like an eyeshadow palette, but let's take a look. I've loved a lot of stuff from Lucky Chick in the past. So we have a full face palette here. And that is everything in the Ipsy Extra, no longer called Boxycharm apparently. Now this is the box I get excited for every quarter. Was called Icon, still says Icon on the box, but now we know it's called something else that I've already forgotten the name of. Ultimate, Ipsy Ultimate. Okay, let's see what's in the Ultimate here. Is it still being curated by somebody? Oh my gosh. Is this being created by NATASHA Denona? Because that's who this is. We just have to dive right in because this is the box I get excited for. On top here, I see a Bisha eyeliner designer duo. Look at that packaging, real gold pretty. Oh, Uptown Brown and Downtown Black. Packaging looks familiar. Did we get some of their liners recently? Because this looks familiar to me. So we've gotten Bisha lip liners in the past, which are pretty good, very creamy. And now it looks like we have some eyeliners. Oh, and they're felt tip. Okay, I'm excited for that then, because I have a lot of crayon-y versions. So this is exciting. 8 Faces is the next thing here on top. And this looks like this is a self-care botanical biotech
Plant power activated by science? What are you? The skin brightener. Oh girl, your girl needs all the help she can get right now. Whole roadmap to get this thing open, but look how cool the packaging is. Woo! Gonna do a little bit here because again, bare face, why not? Whoa, it's super runny. Whoa, 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 thicker than I thought. Maybe I shouldn't have done 2 drops. It feels pretty thick. You could probably just get away with one dropper. Let me just, again, my face turns red when I touch it in general because I have sensitive skin, so don't let that put you off. Down the neck. It's supposed to help your skin glow, radiate, and have balance, improve texture, refines the skin tone, illuminates your skin for all skin types. Okay, it says 95% of people noticed a firmer skin, and then 95% said brighter skin and renewed radiance. Well, I'll take it. Let's see. It is my birthday month after all. I see the first NATASHA DENONA thing in here. Oh my goodness. This is a golden glimmer gloss. Talk dirty to me. I was not expecting this. I don't even think I've seen packaging like this. It's a lip plumper. We have another brown box here. Let's see what this is. And it is NATASHA because a lot of her stuff has come in those before, I guess for protection. So this is a glow highlighter from NATASHA. So this is the second NATASHA DENONA thing in here. I love this color of this packaging. I mean, it matches my nails, but so cute. Oh my gosh, this is a highlighter. Can you guys see this? It looks like an iridescent-y highlighter. You guys, are we thinking highlighters are making a comeback? What's happening? Ooh, now we have some Laura Mercier A right here on top. I'm telling you, if you are interested in any of the Ipsy ones, I would say the formerly now Icon is one of my favorites. For me, this is the one I always get excited for. So this is a matte lipstick in blush. It's a matte lipstick. Look at this. Yes, 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 yes. You can even see the embossment on the lipstick. We love it. Ooh, Persona. I love so much of the Persona liners, whether they be eyeliners, lip liners. I feel like they are top tier. And I don't, oh, this is a tubing mascara. Oh, I'm excited for this. All right, there's 2 things in here, one small box, one big box. I'll save the big box for the end. This is a Dr. Jart Skin Barrier Moisturizing Eye Cream. It says it's buttery and non-greasy moisturizing cream, helps to boost the skin's natural barrier. Okay, all right, we're here, let's do it. It looks like a little tub of butter. Doesn't it look like butter? Oh, it's a very chilled, soft consistency. We're here for that. Now let's see what this is because I'm so excited. I'm not even reading anything because I want to be surprised. Ah! Yes. Yes, yes, yes. There's the 3 NATASHA DENONA products in here. I'm so excited, including a full-size palette that I can't get into because it's childproof. Oh, look at this. It's the Yucca palette, and I think this is stunning for this time of year. Can we just take a moment to reflect on how beautiful this is? And I don't already have it in the collection, which makes me super excited. Jumping straight into the try-on portion, I already have a little bit of base down, and now I'm going to jump into one of these brushes with a little bit of powder, just so I can get an idea. Let's see here. Ooh, these feel nice. Again, these are from Iconic London with the cutie little holder. I'm gonna take this stippling brush and just kind of pop into some powder to go under the eyes, just to set some things down. I like to stipple sometimes because I like to press in the powder so I'm not moving anything underneath. And so far, this brush does a pretty good job. It's not the softest brush I've ever had, but it is a really good quality, it feels like. Next, let's go into the Lucky Chick palette. And do I want to start with a blush or do I want to start with the bronzer? Usually I start with the bronzer, but I think today, let's get a little wild. I'm gonna go into the shade Soul because I do tend to like more of an orangey terracotta blush. Okay, so this could go a little subtle, but we could also build it up, which is nice. So I may pop into the other pink as well. Yeah, the shade Rise has a little bit more pigment to it, which makes total sense. It's a little bit bolder in the palette. Now I'm gonna come over here into the shade Fate, and that's the bronzer. And I have the angled brush here from that little collection, so I can just give a little bit of dimension to the face. I'm gonna warm up the forehead just at the peaks here.
All right, so since we have two different highlighters that we could be playing with, I'm gonna use them in two different ways. I'm gonna jump into this Aura palette, well, the Aura shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna put some on the lid right now, just so I can kind of have an idea. Okay, it's very, very faint. Very faint. Don't think I see much of anything. This is more, okay. All right, we see it there. Okay, okay. I love that the skin tone shade of it is so pretty. So you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna go into the Aura with a brush, and I'm just gonna lightly dust up here. Okay. What I like about this is that it's not gonna grab to texture. It is gonna be very natural, which is the opposite of what the other one is going to look like. Ooh, actually I really like how that looks. So maybe this one is just gonna be one that plays way better on the face than it does on the eyes. This glow, it's almost like a wet glow, but not like saturated, not crazy. Let's go into the Yucca palette anyway, because this is probably where I'm gonna end up putting that other highlighter. But look at how yummy these green tones look. I'm a little intimidated, but I'm also excited. Your girl does not even know really where to begin with this palette, but I'm excited to play. I'm thinking maybe one of these two to start. Let's go into Valley. Have never, oh, she came out already. Okay, she's bold. She's bold and in charge. I've never even watched like a tutorial or like how this palette plays to get an idea, so we're both going in raw dogging it. We're not even sure. Wow. I'm gonna go into this more green tone over here. Oh, wow, this is so pretty. If you wanna know which of the three out of Ipsy I would ever suggest, it's the quarterly. It is the quarterly one. I don't care what they call it. The quarterly one has always been a little bit more luxe. It used to be called Boxy Luxe. It was always a little bit more bougie, hence the icon name. All right, I have to touch these. I have to know what I'm playing with. Oh my golly. Okay, okay. I do feel like putting something underneath it would have given it a little bit more punch. So this is kind of a little bit more of a topper, but you could go in with the shimmers directly if you wanted to, like I did. Is this the brown eyeliner? Let's go into the Bisha eyeliner, and this one's the black one. I want the brown one. Seems to be going on pretty well. It's maybe not my favorite eyeliner, but it's pretty good. I adore Persona, so I'm really hoping the mascara is amazing. Definitely feels like it's grabbing every lash right now and pulling it up because of the brush and the formula. Gonna pop into the Laura Mercier Bullet Lippy here. I have some liner on from that same brand, Bisha. That is so creamy. That is really nice. Oh, but we are not done. Nay. Apparently somewhere around here is that Natasha Denona glitter for the lips. Where the hell did that go? I swear I'm probably looking right at it and not seeing it. Accidentally left it in the box. Found it. I don't know about this. I mean, we're gonna match our eyes, that's for sure. Ooh. Going over the top of the matte lipstick with some plumping glitter gloss from Natasha. You know, when in Rome, we just do as the Natashas do. A little bit of a close-up here. So what we're missing so far, though, is that highlighter. This highlighter. I don't even know. What do we do with this? I'm thinking inner corner. Let's try it. That one packs a powerful punch. Ooh, the lips are definitely tingling right now. The lips feel super tingly. Inner corner bling from this highlighter is Shazam. Totally Shazam right now. I don't know how I feel about this look because I feel like I need more like face makeup. The eyes are so bold and the lips are so tingly. I'm gonna add just a little bit more bronzer to my paleness right now. You guys, I'm not mad at this month's packages. Feel like things are kind of coming together here. Okay, y'all, I can tell you right now, my lips are tingling quite a bit. I guess I do see some of the shimmeriness, but not like glittery. It doesn't look like that at all. They just look real juicy, is what I would say. The eyeshadow is definitely way more pigmented than I had expected. So you could diffuse some of this down with just an empty brush if it just gets too bold for you too quickly. That is always an option. But y'all, this is just like quite an exciting month. What do you guys think? Would you be interested in any of the three choices? The bag, the extra, or the, dang it, I'm gonna get the name wrong again. Ultimate, that's gonna be hard to remember for a little bit. but I am not mad at the products that I received because I feel like there's some really good products in here. Some things I'm not sure I'll use as often, even though they're really nice brands like Natasha. Because the Glimmer Gloss, I'm not sold on, especially how I'm feeling how tingly it is right now. It's a little distracting, to be honest. This highlighter, super highlightery. Fun, but I'm also sitting here going, how often would I reach for this? I don't know. The palette is a clear stunner and a winner here. Lots of skincare and also some, I love a good smelly, so that's really nice from a great brand. I do have on some of the new skincare as well, so that will have to give it a little bit longer time to evaluate. I love trying things from brands that I love, but getting to try new and exciting things, that is always so exciting. So let me know what you think below. I'm pretty excited. And I'm really glad it's not the end of the month when I'm getting my boxes, so I can show you guys, is November worth it? I would say the ultimate box is definitely worth it. Let me know what you think about the others. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.